In this video, I'm going to show you how to create rules in Wazuh. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to the very top left and click on those three lines. And then over here, you want to go to server management down here at the bottom left, and you want to click on it, and then you want to go into rules. Now inside the rules here, you'll be able to see all the different rules you already have. As you can see, there's over 4.5 thousand of them in here. And then you can click on manage rules files over here, which will allow you to actually manage them. Or you could go ahead and if I actually close this and go one step back here, you could also go and actually add new rules. So you can go and click on add new rules file, and then this will allow you to basically put in your code over here. So I've just generated a random rule over here with ChatGPT, and of course you can generate it or write it yourself, however you want to do it. I'm just going to paste it in here. There we go. This is now my rule. You can then type your new name. I'm just going to name it test1 over here, and you can go ahead and also do the rule set test, and then you can basically paste in your code over here, your rule, and then click on test, or you could just go ahead and right away save it like this, and then this is basically how you can create a new rule in Wazuh. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.